Welcome guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an external mic. Now what you are going to need is a headphone jack and earphones, and probably that's all. So let's get to work. First we are going to start off by breaking this and just opening this up. So I'm just going to cut the sides with the cable. Okay, like that, and get rid of that. Now this is all we need. So let's break this open. Okay, now this is the gold. This is what we need. Just place this up. Sorry guys for the image. This is not a good camera. I'm using my Android. So like that. You can just cut this and this. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is what we're going to need. This is the actual mic. You can see that. Now we're going to simply join the two together. So we're going to follow the colors, obviously. So we have red with red here. Okay, now that we've joined them, we can put them back in the casing, just like that, so it can fit nice and snugly. Like that, cover it up. Okay, just like this. Now we need, for the last thing, we need some of this. So this is what I got from my old headphone. Just cut. We don't need all of it. Just need a piece so it can actually go around the mic, like that. Place it over like that. It's gonna be like that. So let's put some glue on this. We need some glue. So guys, this is the sound with the external mic. I don't know if I'm using it correctly, but this is how it sounds with the mic, and this is how it sounds without the mic. So thanks for watching guys. Peace.